In this step we're going to put in the Wemos controller onto the location here, and we're going to provide it with the smoothing capacitor, which is C14, this one, and the decoupling capacitor, which is C13, which is this one. We're also going to put in the header strips so that we can mount and unmount the connector as we wish. Now the first thing to do is we're going to put in the headers, and to do that, let's do it the easy way, and let's actually mount the Wemos on those headers like that, and that will make soldering them somewhat easier. I'm just going to tack them into place first of all. 1, 2, and 4. Now we can take the Wemos out and the headers stay in the right place. And we can solder the rest of the pins in. So whereas before we just held the controller in place, now we're going to actually put it in the socket. Get the switch so it matches up with the location on the board and the rounded edges, and we can pop that guy in, and that looks good. Okay, so let's put in C13, which is the 100 nanofarad decoupling capacitor. Yeah, doesn't want to go in. Okay, stretch the legs out a little bit. Trim up. And then we put in C14, which has a white stripe on it, and of course it goes into the white stripe on the board. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the capacitor in and make sure that it is fully on the board. Put the Wemos in, and then we can power the board up and check that the LEDs come on correctly. There we go. Green,